So here's a straight to the point video of how to edit subtitles and upload them to YouTube. This is the type of file you'll receive. It will be an SRT file. To edit it, you right click and you choose to open it with Notepad. You should receive a pop-up that looks just like this. It comes with the section number, the timestamps, and the dialogue. All you have to do is simply just edit the file, select File, and save. Once you are done, you can close this file off and make sure you save it to where you can find it afterwards. After that, simply go to your YouTube studio, select the video that you want to edit, scroll down until you see subtitles, click on the pencil, then click on the three dot icon up here and select upload file with timing so that way it is lined up to the timing that you have. Then select your file and now you have imported your files into YouTube. This is another way that you can edit it as well, which might be a lot easier for you so you can see it in live time. Once you are satisfied, simply click done and you are finished.